Good morning, Aaliyah. Let's go for a ride. You ready? Oh, allergies. Good morning, guys. I'm with my local Sacramento ninja.
Yes,
Dave's allergies are really bad here. My eyes aren't as bad right now, but I'll show you the progress through the day. Don't move here where you have allergies. Lady. Hey, what's up? Hi. Hello, okay. Hi, V. Hello. I like the baby. Dang, this is a clean hatch too. Look at this one. Nice. The Tesla from the other video. Anderson's. Looking clean. Oh, dude. RX-7. Dude, Sacramento has a bunch of hidden gems. Anderson, just because you own a Tesla, you got Ray-Bans now.
I've been having these.
I don't care. Look at that. That's cool.
Oh, wow.
All right, Sylvie, this is your next car?
It might be.
Yeah, don't press the gas pedal.
Why?
Because it's technically on. You'll run right into
Where would it go?
Forward into my car?
How do you, how would you back it up?
Yeah, it's on the column. It's fancy. Buy a Tesla, make new friends. He's all of a sudden popular. Cool. What is that? Is that a Bentley? Yeah, yo, that's a Bentley. Oh, easy. Oh, park money. Anderson and I are doing a car meet. Right there. Hard park of Teslas. Dang, spotted a few more cool cars in Sacramento. Man, my allergies are so bad right now, guys. But check it out. Okay. All right, you guys know the koi fish thing I've been drawing? So I made a variation for everybody, every family member. And I made a variation for my mom. And this one has many children. Okay, this one's for my mom. This is for you, mama. This is for you. So I left everyone at the boba spot so I could go to my mom's house really quick to drop her off that gift. So I drew the koi fish, and then from there I did multiple variations for it for all my friends. My mom has 12 of them, so there's 12 little koi fish representing my mom, her 4 kids, which is me, my brother, my 2 sisters, and then all of the kids, the offsprings that from there, so her little grandkids, which makes a total of 12. So my mom has one of those to hang up on her house. But in the meantime, I'm gonna teleport you guys over to Dingy. Oh,
I have French fries.
Hi, baby.
Yeah,
French fries. Guys, my allergies are so bad. This is actually better than before. She doesn't have allergies. I do.
Because you're so LA.
Man, all these people have allergies and they're all from Sac.
No.
Yeah, look at that. Look at him. His head is down. V's from the woods and he has allergies. Yeah, okay, good. Hide. We're not supposed to see hide. Oh, fucked up. Courtney, I didn't do it.
You did it. I see a Tesla. I go, there's hella Teslas in this world. He drives next to it and there goes Mike's license plate.
Aaliyah, baby. Hi. Thank you for the cookie. She gave me a cookie earlier. Happy birthday, X-Man. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thanks to you. Happy birthday. Hey, check this out. This is a really nice building. Sacramento has really pretty architecture. This is X's new Range Rover. Let's check out the interior. Whoa, it sounds beefy.
When you downshift, it has that stock like verbal tune.
I like it. Did you rev it? Oh yeah.
Downshift it goes.
This is X's, cool, I'm gonna say Courtney's new Range Rover, his wife. Check it out. Let's check out the interior. All right, Jace, show us the interior. What does it look like?
It's black leather.
It's black leather. Whoa, there's 2 digital dashes. Look at that. That's super cool.
It's so cold.
Wow, the interior is really cool. Got a big panel roof up there. What do you think, J-Mo? You like it? Is this your favorite one?
Here's the lighting for it.
Oh, yeah, cool lighting there.
Oh, yeah,
Let's check out the back seat. Show me around. Nicholas, show me around.
So this is the box.
Uh-huh.
These are a bit different from holes to like a full-on cover.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of back roof space for storage.
Yeah.
X-Man says this is his favorite Range Rover.
Yeah, by far so far.
Hell yeah.
It's in dynamic mode. All the lights turn red,
What?
and then you hit the little race helmet.
There's a race helmet button right
Don't
there.
touch one, don't touch the back. Then you can like do your different like engine tunes and stuff like that.
That's crazy.
I don't think it changes a lot, but you can get it if you go through Novatech. You can get this thing like crazy too.
I like how that's like 2 pads.
And this one tilts. You can do it either
That's
way.
sick. The back seat has a pretty decent amount of space.
Do you like it?
Do you like it, Leah?
He said, this is mine.
That's mine. Nicholas, you said front seat has massagers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get in there, turn it on.
Alright, we're gonna try the massager. Alright, Nicholas, show me the massager. What do I do?
Okay, this one right here.
Okay.
There you go. You feel it?
Not yet. You like it? Oh, hello. You can actually feel it. You feel it, J-Mo? You wanna do it? Let's say they press the button right there.
You don't have to pay here.
Yeah, you just sit here and just like, it's like subtle. It rolls the back like this. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, hi, Leah. Look at this full of kids. All right, continuing the koi fish thing. Like I said earlier, I made a variation for all of my friends and my family. So we have one for X right here. So I'm bumping some music right now. Hold on. An XB! An XB! All right, there's an XB bumping some loud bass, but I'm gonna give X his toy, or his painting, right here. Nicholas, look, I made this for you guys, for you and your dad, and your mama and your kids, your brothers.
Who's who?
You guys have to determine that. There's 5 of you guys, right? There's not 6 coming, right?
I hope
Let's
not.
go show your dad. Where's your dad? Where's his dad? Oh, he's over there. Hold on. X-Man, I made this for you guys. Is that a variation made for everybody?
I know. This me.
You have to determine who's the big one. Who's bigger, you or your mom?
You or mom? You might be this one.
Yeah.
Mom, Jason, J-Mo.
Yup.
There's
That's me, because I'm little.
No?
there's you.
I don't want to be the bigger
There's
fish.
me.
I want to be the little
Yeah,
fish.
this is me. And then we couldn't decide, so Nicholas is the taller one and you're the shorter.
See, I told you.
You're the
I'll
shorter.
take that one.
And
It's
then
this is chubbier. I'll take that one.
This is Courtney's setting because she's so short. Hey, does the phone book automatically come out?
it's still going.
What the hell?
It's still gotta go forward a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Look, it's moving up and forward.
What the heck? Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at all the bugs. J-Mo, have your gun, dude. Right here.
That one that he left.
Where's J-Mo? Aaliyah, baby, do you want to go home now? Aaliyah, want to go home? Aaliyah, are you all tired now? You're all tired? You ready to go home and sleep? Yeah?